practice regularly. The more you write, the better your handwriting will become. Slow down. Writing slowly will help you focus on each letter and improve your control over the pen. Hold the pen correctly. Proper grip on the pen can greatly improve the quality of your writing. Use the right tools. Invest in pens and paper that are comfortable for you to use and that produce the result you want. Warm up. Stretch your hands and practice writing simple shapes before attempting to write longer passages. Start with basic strokes. Mastering basic strokes like lines, curves, circles, and loops forms that foundation for neat handwriting. Vary your writing speed. Try writing simple shapes and some letter or words slowly and others quickly to develop a more fluid and dynamic handwriting style. Pay attention to spacing. Make sure there is consistent spacing between letters, words, and lines. Practice good posture. Maintaining good posture helps control your movements and enhances handwriting control. Study the styles of good handwriting. Look at examples of good handwriting and study the shapes and styles used by skilled writers. Be patient. Improve your handwriting takes time and consistent practice, so don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. And always remember, everyone's handwriting is unique, so focus on finding a style that is comfortable and legible for you. Consistency, practice, and patience will help you develop and maintain good handwriting habits. Thank you.